Dr. Kemi, a Nigerian journalist, pharmacist, PR specialist. Okay, we're going to continue the Adeleke curse. We're talking about throwing away children, okay? Some of this stuff is going to be so shocking to you, but it's out there. I put these things online in 2018, 2019, but the whole notion was, don't even listen to that woman. She's crazy. She's mentally unstable. Don't even believe her. It's the same thing in November of 2019 when I told you guys that Kiki Morty did not enter that cold room.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about the video again. My people, Kemi Olulayo don't come out, can't talk, you don't take about this the video picking that say you can talk so many things. Don't be waiting me. I go even can talk. I go put the video make una your listing about myself because this the video song that it pain everybody. Like I don't cry, I don't tire. I supposedly cry the big picking back. If my own cry, if I bring her come back, really, it's so painful. Like seriously, very painful. No, but who do this thing, sha? Nothing say you go there. Nothing say you go there free like that. Oh. Confession must enter your body, and you must confess why you remember that small boy. You must confess why you remember that small boy. Whether you dey jealous or not pain of say Davido and Chioma come back together again. Now I make you do this thing to them. My God will pay you back. This thing where you do so, you don't go get peace for your life. As I dey talk to her, so Chioma dey hospital. Now prayer with the pray, now make she even dey okay. Davido almost want run mad. Now prayer will come dey pray now. Make Chioma dey okay. Because nobody go. Now prayer will come dey pray, make Chioma even dey okay. Make Davido dey okay because nobody go say pikin kpeme, he could smile or he could dance. No. As I dey talk to her, so Chioma dey hospital. Chioma not dey fit talk. She not dey feel she dey feel pains. So now prayer will come dey pray, make Chioma dey okay now. Because very painful. Like God. If I say that picture, if I just open Instagram, the pikin picture I feel dey see. The pain like seriously really. How somebody go join enter compound, 9 people you're there as they don't even know who do this thing. Police deal with them, make they confess. I be my people. Because I never see this kind of thing. 9 people they house. They not gonna see anybody where even see person where do this thing. Because according to the way me tell you now kid they made that boy. Because I don't want to use this thing because of a YouTube blog. Now they made that boy. They buy that boy. Not be say the boy just goes, not be saying a swimming pool. After the dog buy and they come push for that swimming pool. And what did they do? Now what did they do? Now people there, as they say they don't know, but at least the video are supposed to get camera everywhere. May they use the CC camera because camera was supposed to be that kind of house. When you leave Pikin, you know there as mother, not there as camera are supposed to there. I be my people. This one is very painful, very painful, really, like seriously, very painful. I don't cry, I don't tire. All those pastors when they do fake prophecy everywhere. More than see pray make Ifeanyi come back to life now. More than pray. Make Ifeanyi come back. Everybody go happy well. If you not fit do one. Chioma go be the happier. If I should go even repent because of this one. You understand? Very painful, my people. Very painful. It's so painful, like seriously. Man, I put the video where Kemi to talk. More than you don't take for what he talk for the consign the boy. Bye, you understand? Man, I put on my people. More than I be sure the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Sets for grades, and he said, no, she's just jealous. Kemi, you're jealous. She's a better journalist. Well, 3 years later, you see how they were fighting over it? Okay, and all of them. I tell you these things, you don't pay attention. But it's on my YouTube channel. Throwing children away. So there was this woman in London. She's a makeup artist, and she said she had an affair with Davido or whatnot. She got pregnant, and Davido abandoned her. That's not new. Davido has already abandoned Imade and Sophia. And Dele Momadou pushed the whole, let's get a DNA test. You fathered Imade. And today Imade is like the main kid. All right. So are we doing this again now? So this makeup artist Larissa, she had a very famous celebrity friend, a very big one in Nigeria, music artist. And that music artist came to me and said, "Hey, Kemi, I want you to put this out because, you know, everybody uses my blog to get their stuff out." Did she pay me? No, she didn't pay me. This is stuff that Instablog will charge you lots of money for. But I put the story out there as a credible story, okay, that there's a baby that Instablog will charge you lots of money for. But I put the story out there as a credible story, okay, that there's a baby mama in London expecting a child for Davido. You guys remember now, 2019 when I moved to Lagos at that time. And of course, the same mentality, this woman is unstable. When I put that story out, Just Lover carried it after me. And at the end of the day, I had put the story out. I didn't put pictures out. Just let I put pictures of Larissa pregnant. Sometimes during that pregnancy, okay, during the pandemic, she went into labor. She couldn't get to the hospital. We're not allowed to go out in the pandemic. And the baby ended up being delivered during that pregnancy. Okay, during the pandemic, she went into labor. She couldn't get to the hospital. We're not allowed to go out in the pandemic. And the baby ended up being delivered in the house by someone in the girl's family. That celebrity came to me and told me this, and another bunch of stuff came out. Okay, Larissa said there were some things she found out when confiding with Davido. Davido was apparently going out with Chioma. Somewhere behind that whole area is when they had that affair, a makeup artist in London. And she said Davido confided in some things with her. And that information came to me. Like Chioma had 3 separate abortions. She tried to conceive for Davido. Each time she conceived a girl, ultrasound. It's a girl. No, she don't want a girl. She wants a boy for Davido. She got rid of 3 fetuses, female. She wanted a boy, and she finally got pregnant with a boy. And remember that year I was the one that announced that Chioma is pregnant when they said she wasn't pregnant. I said, not only she's pregnant, she's expecting a boy. And at the end of the day, and remember that year I was the one that announced that Chioma is pregnant when they said she wasn't pregnant. I said, not only she's pregnant, she's expecting a boy. And at the end of the day, put 2 and 2 together. I know this job very well. She threw away 3 girls. Now her only boy, gone.
It's death. It is not by force to post anything on social media. You know, and even the Davido, he's somebody that cares about the well-being of children in general. If you go back to my live on Davido's birthday, when Davido gave $500,000 to orphanages in Nigeria, I made a live about it. I came out to congratulate him for taking such a big step for the end of Nigeria. I did a live. And Davido, knowing the kind of evil, selfish, wicked people, all of you that are posting, everybody posting about his child. He knows you people are selfish. Davido